Alpen Feuerlilie is a perennial lily species native to mountainous regions of Europe and Asia. Before you begin growing these magnificent flowers, it's essential to understand their unique characteristics, growth habits, and preferred growing conditions. This knowledge will set the foundation for a successful cultivation journey. Selecting and sourcing bulbs. Start your Alpen Feuerlilie growing adventure by selecting high-quality bulbs. Look for bulbs that are firm, healthy, and free from any signs of damage or disease. Choosing the ideal location. Alpen Feuerlilie thrives in partially shaded areas, making it a perfect choice for gardens with dappled sunlight. Select a location that receives a few hours of direct morning or evening sun but is sheltered from the intense midday sun. Preparing the soil. The key to successful Alpen Feuerlilie cultivation lies in well-drained soil. These lilies prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil pH. Prepare the planting area by removing any weeds or debris. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or shovel and amend it with organic matter to enhance drainage and fertility. Planting Alpen Feuerlilie. Dig holes that are approximately 6 to 8 inches deep, ensuring they are spaced 12 to 18 inches apart. Place each bulb with the pointed end facing upward and gently cover it with soil. Lightly press the soil around the bulb to ensure good contact. Repeat this process for each bulb you are planting. Watering and mulching. Water the newly planted bulbs thoroughly to help settle the soil and provide the initial moisture they need. Throughout the growing season, maintain a consistently moist but not waterlogged soil. Maintenance and care. Alpen Feuerlilie is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but a few care practices can greatly enhance its growth and vigor. Regularly weed the planting area to reduce competition for nutrients and water. Deadhead faded flowers to divert energy into bulb development. Monitor for common pests and diseases and take appropriate measures if necessary. Supporting the stems. As the Alpen Feuerlilie stems grow tall, they may require support to prevent bending or breaking. Use stakes or create a framework around the plants to provide stability and protect them from strong winds or heavy rain. This will ensure that your lilies stand tall and proud throughout the season. Documenting the journey. Capture the growth and development of your Alpen Feuerlilie by documenting the different stages. Consider taking photographs or recording time-lapse videos to create a visual record of their progress. Enjoying the blossoms. After patiently nurturing your Alpen Feuerlilie plants, the moment of reward arrives when they burst into bloom. Take the time to appreciate and admire the stunning, downward-facing flowers with their fiery hues and captivating speckles. Share the beauty of your lilies with friends, family, and fellow gardening enthusiasts.